You're watching Animated Ideas.
Let's learn the short a by practicing sentences that start with it is. Cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. Your turn. Hat. It is a hat. It is a hat. Your turn. Man. It is a man. It is a man. Your turn. Bag. It is a bag. It is a bag. Your turn. Pan. It is a pan. It is a pan. Your turn. Bat. It is a bat. It is a bat. Your turn. Map. It is a map. It is a map. Your turn. Rat. It is a rat. It is a rat. Your turn. Jam. It is a jam. It is a jam. Your turn. Cap. It is a cap. It is a cap. Your turn. Fan. It is a fan. It is a fan. Your turn. Van. It is a van. It is a van. Your turn. Can. It is a can. It is a can. Your turn. mat. It is a mat. It is a mat. Your turn. Pad. It is a pad. It is a pad. Your turn. Cab. It is a cab. It is a cab. Your turn. Dad. It is dad. It is dad. Your turn. Ham. It is ham. It is ham. Your turn. Great job! Having fun, kids? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more learning and fun experience. Bye! See you next time!